Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So for today's video, I'm going to share with you guys some Amazon buys that I bought for the Amazon deals. I posted, I want to say, a big portion of this on my actual social media. Some I didn't though, just because, you know, it's going so fast. So some things you just got to hurry up and get it before it's all claimed out. But yeah, if you like videos like this, please don't forget to thumbs up, comment, rate, and subscribe. I appreciate every like, every comment, and every single subscriber. It means everything to me. And let's go ahead and get into today's video. This was also purchased on Amazon. It is on my Amazon storefront, but it's not part of this video. Let's get into it. There is 4 things I am not showing in this video because they're actually Christmas gifts for people that actually watch my videos. So I cannot show those. So I am throwing that out there. There is one thing that I did get for my daughter. Actually, there's 2. There's another one upstairs that is for traveling. But I did get my daughter this guy, which is Avent. I always say that wrong. Avent. It's a calendar for her to open up for Christmas. I hope you guys could even see that. And it is of Bluey. It is so cute. I can't wait to see all the little characters. I also got her... It was like $3, and it was like a 7 or 14 days till basically you travel for Disney. I got her one of those because I thought it was so cute. My best friend actually sent me the link to that one. I was so excited. Anyways, so I got that. I got 2 of these. If you guys have watched my videos, you guys know I'm obsessed with organizing like my daughter's clothes. So I got 2. I'll put them on the screen so you can see what they look like. So I got 2. So I got one for actually her drawers and for her, because I'm already buying summer stuff for her for next year since they clearance out here, while winter and fall are here. So I got 2 again for the reason because we actually got her suitcase already for, when we go to Florida next year. And I saw a video of someone actually using those, and pack the baby's outfits by day. And I thought that was kind of cool. I'm not sure if I'm going to do that yet, but even taking that with us on the trip and just have it in the drawer at my aunt's house, I think will be really, really easy. But those were really affordable when I got them. They are going to be, again, on my Amazon storefront. I'm just going to just keep going. No theme here. I got like 4 or 5 of these. I have 3 right here because I already kind of made it into a little bag. The other 2, these are to clean your lashes. So it comes with the lash cleanser. It comes with the brush and spoolies. I got these because they were an amazing deal for my clients when they come and they need one as soon as possible. Of course, I want to upsell a little bit. Of course, got to make my own buck as well as a businesswoman, but I got those because I feel like it kind of just comes with everything, and it was an amazing deal. These were $1 on Amazon, and these are just eyeliner brushes. I like these when I actually have clients because they're very, very small, and I could get really, really detailed on their waterline and tightline. So I had to get that. These were also $1. I, again, had to get them. I like having things like this. Like if I see my cousins, I could give them some. But they are the Wet n Wild eyeliners. I have not tried these at all. But I thought, you know, a good deal to have. And I might even throw them in a giveaway in the future as well. Did I say eyeliners? Mascaras. Yeah. The next thing I got is for travel again. These were an amazing deal. And unfortunately, the next day they went like $2 cheaper. So I got these for $5 each, and they are packing cubes. And my best friend got them, I think, for $2.99 or $3. Whatever. That's what you get for waiting an extra day. So I got black for my husband. I'll put them on the screen how they actually come. I think it's 3 packing cubes and 3 laundry packing bags. So I got black for my husband. I got pink for my daughter. And then I got coral for myself. I love packing cubes. I love packing in packing cubes. I really wanted to get the ones that are like compressed, but none of those went on sale when I was looking. So yeah. I got some of these. So if you guys seen my past videos, you guys know I even bought the Temu version of this. Temu version did not work out for me, but they are for the Stanley Cup. So this little part goes on the inside. This goes on the straw, and then this part also goes on the inside. I'll kind of show a little demo of it, just so that my husband doesn't spill the coffee all over the car, which is done many, many times. I already had purchased this before, but these were like $3 this time. So I had to get it, and it comes with 2 sets. And for some reason, my husband likes forgetting that they're here. So when he opens them and leaves them in the sink, sometimes he tosses the bottom and they get thrown away. So I had to get another pair. The next thing I got are these guys. So I got this. I'm going to show you on the screen as well. And they are supposed to be kind of like the one I keep seeing all over the place on TikTok. So I got size large because the website, Amazon actually said, get the size you are on top or size up. If you want it to fit you tight, get your size. And then size up if you don't want it to fit tight. So I got a large thinking that it's going to fit me tight, which is what I wanted. I wanted to, tighten me up a little bit. Unfortunately, it actually fits me a little, like it fits me perfect. So I could have gotten medium. I need to learn, because every time I try to get a large in any like tight, like, trying to like cinch me in, all the largest fit me like perfect instead of fitting me tight. It looks cute though. I am still gonna keep it because it is a really cute, like, and comfortable material, and I love that it's like this, and it's a thong, but it's not those uncomfortable ones. And it is a very nice thick material. Obviously I'm still gonna wear a bra with it. Some people don't, up to themselves, but yeah, I like the material. Original price was something crazy. I got these a set of 3 for $15, so I'm gonna wait until they go on sale again, and I'm definitely gonna get a medium because I do like the material. I got this cream color, and then it comes with 3 colors, but then I got the brown that comes with it. Again, if you guys are thinking of these, I'll link them down below. They are also on my Amazon storefront. Size down, because it says size up if you want it to fit loose, but honestly, I could have got a medium. These still fit me. It's just I wanted it to fit me tighter. So I got that. And then the last 3 things that I got are skincare items that I already use, that I already love. So every time they have deals on Amazon, they always have, and I like crushed these boxes. I just noticed that. They always have my favorite moisturizer and my favorite cleanser and serum. I already had backup serums from the last sale, but it is the Inkless, and I get the peptide moisturizer. This is like a dupe to the Drunk Elephant one. I absolutely love this. So it basically says best for dry skin. I have combination skin, and it works wonderfully. It hydrates and it reduces the appearance of wrinkles. So I got 2 of those because, of course, I use that very often. And then the last thing I got is my moisturizer. My moisturizer. My SPF, I absolutely love this moisturizer. It is my absolute favorite. It's SPF 36. I can use this all year around. It's moisturizing. It doesn't make my skin oily, which is what I absolutely love about it. It's so comfortable on the skin. It just feels like you put a little bit more moisturizer. It does not feel like greasy and SPF-y. I absolutely love this one. So if you have oily skin or combination oily skin, definitely give this a try. Even if you have dry skin, just make sure you put, oh my god, or hyaluronic acid underneath, or a different kind of moisturizer underneath. But regardless, moisturize your skin, and then you put your SPF, and this one's my favorite. I still have my other one, but my other one actually expires in March of 2024. And I need one for basically the summer going on, to when we go obviously on vacation too. And this one expires in 12/3/2025. So I got a good 2 years for this guy. But yeah, that is all I got this time around. Oh, I'm such a liar. I have 2 things right here that I completely forgot to show you guys. I got these for me and my daughter. I had to. So cute. This is for my daughter and this is for me. And then I also got these really cute hats. We wore them to the pumpkin patch and got so many compliments. They're so comfortable, so cute. But I had to get them. My daughter is actually calling me right now. So yeah, that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoy it. Let me know what you guys picked up from the Amazon deals. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.